where nature and elegance meet in perfect harmony, comfort and tranquility amidst the natural landscape of Bahia. Casa de Luz is located atop a cliff in Espelho Beach in southern Bahia. The construction is a beautiful example of architectural symbiosis, where local culture and modern features coexist, bringing unique sensations. In order to maintain the original vegetation and preserve the typical species of the region, the house was built in blocks interconnected by a central atrium, which also serves as an entrance hall. The project smoothed out the slope of the terrain using terraces, contained by discrete stone walls which, despite bringing orthogonal features, follow the terrain's contour line. At the entrance of the property, next to the garage, is a service block covered by a wooden pergola and surrounded by a garden of large leaves. This structure accommodates a large laundry room, linen room, storage room, and a suite for staff with a view of a lawn and beautiful coconut and mango trees. The main circulation axis is composed of a wooden walkway that goes from the social entrance portal of the house, passing through the central atrium, to a simple chapel at the back of the property. The atrium is the heart of the house and was inspired by an oriental garden with a sand patio, a beautiful flamboyant tree in the center, surrounded by decks covered with pergolas and with panels pivoting in biriba that resembles screen, a Bahian version of Japanese garden.